Good morning everyone. So today I'll be showing this Byjus IAS tablet course kit and the review about it. Actually I have ordered this on April 7th actually, but due to this lockdown I have received it few days ago. So first I'll be showing this box. I have opened this. I have also removed this cover above it. I have got this in the courier actually. So, and the books I'll be just showing now, but the content in the books and what all in the books are, what is special with the other books and Byjus books, I'll be showing in the next video. So this will be completely about tablet, and I'll also show the books, but the details of the books will be shown in the other video. So let's open this. First it will be just like this. It will be a box completely. You'll be receiving a cover on this, but I have removed this cover. So as you can just see, if we open, it will be like this. There will be even a a plastic cover on this as well. You'll be receiving this threads just for it looks good. And here you can see Byjus premium, and here is the tab. This box will be containing only the tab, nothing else. So let's open this tab. So this is actually a Lenovo 4 8-inch tab. So you can also get the other variant of 10 inches. The price varies for this one and that. So as you can see, this is tab 4.8. You can see the price is like 17,000 here, but I don't know what these Byjus will give it. The total package is of something. You can contact Byjus for that. So let's open this. As we open this, it will be like this in the cover. As you can see, this is the tab. There will be a common password for everybody. Put it aside, and you have this some kind of warranty, and you can see the content. Many queries of people ask in other websites like Quora and all, like do we get headset and all. No, you'll not get anything. Just the tab, an adapter, charger, and these safety kit, warranty and all. That's it. Next, as you can see, the adapter and the cable for charging. That's all, nothing more. Now if we see this one, let's open this. This is an updated version actually. As I said, I have taken this in April. So it's a 2020 version. So this is the model, and let's start this. So I have placed the tab in this flip cover. You can find this online. The link is provided in the description. I'll also post this link. Okay. So I just kept it, it will be safe like this. You can, if you're convenient only with the tab, it's fine, but I just bought it so that it will be safe. Yeah, also let's turn it on. I just turned it on. It started. Let's see how it looks. It will be like this because it doesn't work like a normal phone, as I have already said. So if we open, common password for everyone. Yeah, it's like this. You can see here IAS, and here the plus symbol. As you click on the plus symbol, you'll see the settings, Wi-Fi, mobile data. These two will not work, but in the settings, if you go, it will show like this. Here in the three options you have display, and here you can adjust the brightness. Okay, just you can see. Yeah, you can just adjust the brightness. I'll go with low brightness. Actually, it will work for around 6 to 7 hours. I have been using since a few days. It's working good. So let's see what is in this. This is the reality. Yeah, as you open it will show like this. There are total 16 chapters in here. Everything is covered for prelims as well as mains. There's nothing like prelims is different and mains is different. No, everything is comprehensively really covered in this. I have gone through polity already, and now I am in geography. So if you can see, for example, history, if you can see in the history you have not just for history, for most of these subjects you have this option and this one. This one, if you click, you will be having this, art and culture, ancient, medieval, modern history, world history is also covered here. Sorry for that. World history is also covered here, and post independence is also covered here. In fact, art and culture is involved in this. There is no separate chapter for that. So 1 second. Everything is covered in here itself. Now let's go back and see what is this option. So if you can see here, this is as you can see, ancient, medieval and modern. Let's go with modern. These are all tests, basically the British Raj and freedom struggle. Okay, these are basically prelims tests. Let's just I'll show you one. Yeah, when did the Queen take over the reign of India? Mark, review, submit. Even you have time limit here, so I'm not doing it now. Let's exit about test. So next, and in the economy, what I liked especially is, every aspirant, not everyone, but few aspirants without any economic subject background, they'll feel difficult in understanding the subject. So in this Byjus tab course, I have seen this, you can see here the basic forms of economy. As you can click, there are around 53 videos in here, short videos, 4 minutes, 16 minutes, some are more than 30 minutes. As you can see, let's click on the first video.
Mr. Singh, what is this I hear about the rupee value crashing and high inflation? What is happening to the rupee?
Well, sir, the currency depreciation is due to the shoes. It is not as easy as you might think. What if the shoes
So all the economic concepts are all these videos, around I said 53 videos, they are completely covered animatedly, so that as we see those visuals, there are very much they are very much we can remember them. They are very animated and they are very comprehensive. Essays, environment and everything is covered here. Geography, verbal ability and optional. I have not yet opted for optional, but I will opt for sociology. I'm thinking I'll also make the video on that. Even I'm opting for Byjus itself, so I'll also make the video on that. So as we can see, there are around more than 500 hours plus videos are there in this whole tab. Every video is comprehensively covered. I have gone through every subject one video. I have gone through all the introductions, so they are very, very comprehensively covered. With the lecturers are very much best, and you can see them 3 times. And so even if you have any doubts, you can call on the mentorship. So the Byjus, as of now, I can say it's very, very good. And there are also unit tests for every 15 days. I'm also going through them. It's also very progressive. I've also very much improved since last 4 to 5 unit tests. So that's it from this video about the tab. The videos are very much good. and because I have experienced it since last few days I'm watching it, but I have covered it in the phone as well. So I've recently received the tab, so I have thought to show you. So in the next video we'll meet with the books what all are given with Byjus. There are around 18 books.